Toyota Estima ACR30 installed for Cogoo S-Series Plus 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, DSP setting and IPS screen. So IPS screen, multi-angle view, still the same color, same viewing. Okay, 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen, a curved screen. So for Estima ACR30, no OEM big screen casing, so I have to modify it to fix in. Modified fixed by universal bracket, OEM socket plug and play. Okay, can connect for reverse camera, RCA camera input, video input and video output. 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, IPS screen and DSP setting. Full menu. Let me change to English. Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. And click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Music, video file. Log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. Google Maps, Waze, Spotify can download. Video input and video output. File manager. No CD, no DVD, no SD card. It's got a 2 USB extension. We put in a drawer. It's got 2 USB slots. Okay, offline GPS Papago or online TV APK can download from web page. Okay, mirror link function, selected phone model, a DSP, eighteen band equalizer, preset equalizer, time alignment, user setting. Okay, car setting, system info, Android version 8.1, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, CPU A7 1.3 GHz times 4. Okay, output amplifier 45 times 4. Factory setting 8. Okay, to do a setting. GPS detect. It's got a GPS antenna here for detect your car. GPS signal. Preset volume, brightness, daytime and nighttime. Navigation shortcut. Styling control setting. Change your boot logo and reverse wheel. Radio. Styling control. Android player, you have to clear apps, create one by one or close all. So nighttime driving, you can scroll down the screen, turn off the screen off. Radio and music keep on, press anyway to turn it on. Clean up. So this is Cogoo S-Series Plus CG-P010S2-DSP16. 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, IPS screen, DSP setting. 10.1 inch. Modified fixed in by universal bracket in Toyota Estima ACR30. This is reverse view, connect with original reverse camera. Auto front camera function. This is car owner original front camera view. Okay, Cogoo S series. Installed by 1bis. Video by Andy. Thank you.